All right, so if you're seeing me here down here in the corner, hi, hello, then that means that you are jumping in and following along on the screencasted notes, going ahead and having me teach for today. And welcome. Here we go. You just did the bell ring, and let's review what you did the last time. In case you weren't listening, the British Army was killing it. That is talking about what's going on before the Battle of Trenton. Of course, Continental Congress has to be moved out of New York and back to Philadelphia out of fear that the British Army is actually going to take over New York and take them away. Washington says to Congress, hold my root beer. Decides to do a sneak attack on Trenton. How does the sneak attack work? Well, he goes overnight the day after Christmas. This, of course, restores the faith in the Continental Army and gives them the chance to start doing some more recruiting. Brings us to today's lesson, Saratoga and the French. Our objectives and essential questions will be, of course, where we start today. The note sheet, it's also on Schoology. You can get it right there on that bit.ly. 3 gorillas, 66 trailblazing rhinos. You can click the link right there. This is slide number 52. If I don't have my face covering it, I'll cover up where the date will be since I forgot to put it in while I'm screencasting this. Why the French? And then the Saratoga campaign, and of course, an exit ticket for today. So let's get started. Oh, and a reminder, your test is coming up on January 19th. Get that thing out of there. January 19th. Okay, our objectives today. I can describe the events of the Battle of Saratoga and their significance to the American Revolution. I can describe the influence the French had on the American Revolution. What happened at the Battle of Saratoga? And why did the French get involved in the American Revolution? Because I've learned that micro lessons are going to work better than one long video where you might have to find things, I'm going to stop here. This will be the first video in your playlist. All I did was kind of touch back on what we learned the last time and your objectives for today. The next one will actually start talking about the French, a little bit about Saratoga, and then get to the exit ticket. So that's how things are going to go if you're following along on the playlist.